Good morning, it's me, Nan attendant Jimmy Agik. So the question is that should you study woodworking in Canada as an international student? Should you study woodworking in Canada as an international student? The answer is yes, 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 yes. There's only two countries in the world I prefer for woodworking. One is Canada, second is Australia. Australia is my darling. Illegal occupation should be end of Australia. Australia is a great continent occupied by the white people. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Nothing else I want to say, to be honest with you. Like a person like me getting into Australia is super hard. Number one, every Indian international student wanna go there, and most of them like are fake international student. They are not interested in studying. They are just there for PR. Like in 2015, I was thinking to do a woodworking, like a boot camp, it was roughly 2 months boot camp in Australia. But again, I can't get the visa. Blah blah. It's a long story. But we are talking about Canada. In Canada, they offer some good like advanced diploma in woodworking, even some of the bachelor degree in wood engineering. Again, wood engineering is different than woodworking. Woodworking is a physical, labor intensive field, and wood engineering most of our research. It's like seductive research. You are cruising with a tree or tree. Oh, your bark is very nice. Oh, how old are you? Are you over 18? Oh, no, you are 17? I'm sorry, you're ugly. That is wood engineering. That is the wood engineering. Woodworking is different. Woodworking. I don't know what you're thinking. This is a saw. This is a saw. I'm cutting a plywood. This is woodworking. So in my opinion, my answer is clear. I always support woodworking. I always support furniture design. Like if you're going to do advanced diploma in woodworking, then do the bachelor degree in furniture design. Getting a job is easy. Furniture design, I'm still right now thinking to start my furniture design, because back in the day I wanna learn the woodworking, because I'm a physical hardware guy. I love touching stuff. I really love touching stuff. I feel happy. I just feel happy by touching. I don't know what you're thinking. I'm talking about the wood make me like wood is special. The relationship of a human with a wood is very hard to explain unless you have a passion for wood. So yeah, in my opinion, you should do. You can easily start your own woodworking business, furniture design. In my opinion, there is a huge demand for handmade specialized furniture around the world. Just do the degree. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section box below. Bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.